All right, we now move on to speaking part three. Describe an aquatic animal. Please, over to you.
Aquatic animals are those animals which lives in salt water like an ocean and also lives in a fresh water like ponds, rivers, lakes, etc. When I was a kid, my parent took me to the aquarium where I first saw the aquatic animal. There was a lot of fishes there, but the goldfish was very fascinating to me that time because the fish was full of colors with the different and attractive colors. So that was my good experience over there. As the time passes on, my interest in aquatic animals also increases. So after a couple of years, we plan to go to see the dolphin fish show. That was also a very best experience of my life because there was an instructor who instructing the dolphin fish and the fish was acting on the instruction of the instructor. That was very fascinating experience of my life.
All right, 1 minute and 7 seconds. The first thing is speak a bit louder.
Okay.
And second, add some energy
Okay.
into your voice. And third thing is try to speak little more. Although there were some grammatical mistakes, like you said, animals which lives. It should be animals which live. When animals are plural, then we don't add s to the verb, right? These type of mistakes, but overall it's good, and try to stretch it further. At
Okay.
least 1 minute, 30, 40 seconds. Then it'll be better. Now, we move on to speaking part three. Why do people like to keep pets?
Uh, there is a different opinion on this. Like some people keeps the pet for the safety purposes. Like usually people use a dog as a safety and security purposes, and other people keeps the pets like cat for
People keep the pets,
keep
not
keep
keeps.
keep the pet like cats because they like to keep the cats and
Okay, now this answer contains limited vocabulary, simple sentence structure. In part three, you need to use different words, compound sentence structure. That will bring you good bench score. So just focus that and try to be familiar with all these topics. Next week, when you come back, you should be able to answer the questions well, right? Okay, thank you.